Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, you are most welcome and I'm so excited to have you, and I hope that you keep coming back. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by tapping the little bell on the right so you'll be the first to know every time I post new content. My name is Anthea Tate-Harte. Please watch this video till the end. So guys, today I will be showing you how I fill my eyebrows in and how I define them so they still look natural. An eyebrow spoolie to brush through your eyebrows so that you can see what areas need filling in and to blend. A sharpened eyebrow pencil to fill in, an eyeshadow angled brush and a concealer to define your eyebrows and correct all those little errors. Now guys, I have only 3 principles when it comes to anything eyebrows, especially if you want them to come out looking natural. Number 1, always follow the actual shape and size of your eyebrows. Number 2, know where to start and where to stop. With my eyebrows, this is where I start because this is where my eyebrow starts. And this is where I stop because this is where my eyebrow stops, at this angle. Number 3, always start with your good side. This will help guide you. This is my good side. If you want your eyebrows to come out looking natural, please groom your eyebrows before you start this process. I have a video in the description below about how I trim and shape my eyebrows. With the spoolie, brush through your eyebrows. Then with your eyebrow pencil, this is a pencil from Rimmel, London. I use Espresso brown and I don't advise anyone to use an eyebrow pencil that is darker than Espresso brown. Espresso brown is a deep, rich brown, because if you use black or anything darker than this, it's just going to look unnatural. It will be too dark. So outline your eyebrows using a sharpened eyebrow pencil. Then, with your eyebrow spoolie again, blend the outlines into the eyebrow. Gently. So first, blend downwards, then blend upwards. This could be good enough for someone, but if it is not, take the eyebrow pencil and make short hair-like strides to fill in your eyebrow in the areas that you think need to be filled in more. Just like this. Starting with the tail. Upwards. Short hair-like strides where you think you need them. Now, when you're filling out the beginning of the eyebrow, please use a very light hand. Just a few strokes, just like that. Then again, with your spoolie, brush through to see if there is any other areas that need to be filled in. So I'm done filling my eyebrow in. Now I'm going to use concealer to define it and correct all those little errors. Now, using the angled eyeshadow brush, I am going to define my eyebrow with concealer. Or you can use foundation. Do not use too much, just use a little bit, and always remember that with makeup it is easier to add on than to take away. When you're doing this, use concealer or foundation that is the same shade as you would use for the rest of your makeup, or just one shade above. And start where your eyebrow begins. No need to start here. Start where your eyebrow begins. guys so much for watching this video. That is it for today, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to leave me a comment below. See you next time.
Bye.